Hey there! Today I'll show you how to run DeepSeek R1 on Android with Termux AI Reasoning Offline 2026. We'll cover install Termux and Ollama, pull DeepSeek R1, start the server and more. Let's dive in. Install Termux and Ollama. Install Termux from F-Droid, not Google Play. Run package update, package upgrade Y, then package install Ollama. Pull DeepSeek R1. Run Ollama pull DeepSeek R1 1.5b. The distilled reasoning model is only about 1 GB and fits any modern phone. Start the server. Run Ollama serve in one session. Then open a second Termux session and run Ollama run DeepSeek R1 1.5b. Watch it reason. Ask a logic question. DeepSeek R1 shows its full chain of thought before answering, real reasoning on your phone. Go bigger. Phones with 8 GB RAM can run the 7B model. Ollama pull DeepSeek R1 7B. Check memory with Ollama PS. That wraps up today's tutorial. If this helped, subscribe to Kola Lawal for daily AI on Android guides. Get the complete ebook at lawalfatikola.gumroad.com. See you tomorrow.